Hey my Bellas, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on this wig that I bought from Amazon. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below what wigs you would love to see in the future. Thank you. Bye. So I hope you guys are as excited as I am to see this wig, because the second I took it out of the box, I was like, I need to sit down and film a video like right now. So here it is. This is the packaging. I got it from Lucy Hair Wig from Amazon. The wig was about $39.75, I believe. But here it is. I'm going to take it out of this bag, and it comes in another Ziploc bag, as you can see. And there's another cap that I really won't be using that one. But yeah, there's the packaging. And here you go. I'm gonna take it out of the bag. I'm so excited to be finally trying this wig. You don't even understand. And here it is. It comes in a little net which holds the curl, so I really like that. Look at that. And there's some tissue paper in there. And it has the adjustable strap, which is really good. And 3 combs, 2 on each side and 1 in the middle. There you go. Go. It says that it has a Swiss lace, and as you can see, the lace is so nice. It's so soft, and it's so close to my complexion, and it's about 2.5 inches. And there you go. There's the part which didn't really need much adjusting. I just went in and adjusted it a little bit more. There's that cap. And this is the cap that I will be using. This is one that I had already. And I'm going to have a tutorial on this look also. But there you go. I'm just using my Got2b and some scissors. And look at that, it has the baby hair on the back of it too, so if you want to lay them down and put it in a bun, which is so bomb. And just to let you know, this isn't going to be a full voiceover. I'm going to actually be talking towards the end of the video. So let me just go ahead and put this on my head finally. Ow. Now I'm just gonna adjust it and see what I have to work with. I just love this color so much. So now I'm just going to cut the lace, and I'm going to cut a large chunk off of it first, and then I'm going to go in and get closer to the hairline. Now I'm just going to take my Got2b and I'm going to line my edges to get ready to lay the wig down. going to put on the wig eventually. Just go ahead and adjust that, be crazy. And I'm just going to lay down the sides. Lay them down. I love this hairline. Like, everything about this wig is just so bomb for $40. Now I'm just going to get my clip and I'm going to pull the hair back so that I can see what I'm working with. And I'm just going to line it up one more time just to make sure that I have it right. And then I'm going to take some Got2b and lay them down on the edges. And now I'm just going to do that for the other side. So I just decided to continue this video doing a regular just talking instead of doing the voiceover. I was doing the voiceover before because it was a lot more going on in the house than now, but sorry I'm out of breath. I just ran through the house trying to find my brush, which this isn't even the brush that I was looking for, but it's gonna make do. But so my camera died, so I just went ahead and I just laid the baby hairs, and that's all. And my camera's not even fully charged, so I'm just praying I get through this. This is the first time I actually did a wig like this. Like, I had to cut the hairline myself. This is the first time I've ever took anything out of the package, like the wig out of the package, and did everything myself. The first wig I ever got was actually, I had the lady at the beauty supply that I got it from. She did everything for me except for the baby hair, which I don't even think I took baby hair out of that wig because I was kind of scared. And I did pluck that wig myself, but I also put a hole in it. So there you go, that's my expertise on wigs. I was seeing this hair color online a lot, and I was just like, I really want to put that on my head. Like, I really want that hair color. I wanted to experiment and have a little bit of fun with my hair and be able to change it up. So the next one that I saw that I like is like this rose gold pink. I'm sure you guys have seen that color too, because you know it's all over the place. And that like burnt orange, I love that hair color, and I really want to try that too. So hopefully I can like get out of my box a little bit more and start experimenting with my hair. Oh, and getting better at it, because I was so scared. Like, I hope I don't mess up this wig, Lord. But it came through. So I'm assuming I'm just going to have to leave it on this little side part that it comes in. And it may not be laying properly because I still have like a little bun in the back of my head. I just threw it on. But yeah, so I'm just going to comb it out. Let me show you guys where it actually falls to. So this is how far it comes down. So yeah, that's like my waist, like right above my butt. Like, actually it's like right on my butt. So that's where it falls to. Let me scoot back. So now I'm just gonna brush it out. I really like the texture of it. I'm going to comb it out, and it's very soft. Like, it combs out so well, if you can see that. Like, look at that. Let's go ahead and pull this on this side. But yeah, so you guys get to grow with me on this and see how I transform from this first wig that I get to the wigs that I start to buy and get better at laying them and all that other stuff. So I'm excited for that. I hope you guys are too. So yeah, but I love it. I love it. I love it. And I've put this wig in my cart on Amazon so many times, and I just took it out and was like, you know what, I'm not gonna do it. And it's not very shiny, as you can see. It's like, it has a little shine to it. It's more than our own natural hair would have. Let me see, I'm trying to see how it tangles. It does have a bit of a shine to it, but it's not like, oh girl, that is a wig shine. It has a shine though. So I'm going to spray it with some dry shampoo, because I was looking at some videos and I saw that you could spray it with dry shampoo or put some baby powder, but I don't have any baby powder right now. So I'm just gonna use the dry shampoo. And I just have this right here. It's not your mother's. It's the Clean Freak dry shampoo. Let me spray it on my hand first and see what I'm getting myself into. Okay. Yeah. I don't see much of a difference. Actually, I do. Yeah, just a little. Okay. I think I might. And I also like the fact that it has like a dimension of colors. It has, let's see if you can, let's get up close to it. It has like a bit of pink and lavender, a lighter purple, a brown in there, so it kind of balances the color, and I think that's why it looks really nice on darker complexions, because it has a multitude of different colors in there. So now what I'm going to do is get my hairspray and get this to stop falling in my face like that, because only a couple of pieces fall in the front, which makes it look like, you know, I got winded and I was running from something and my hair just went in my face. So this, I've had this for a while and it still says new, but I'm pretty sure they probably have different packaging by now, but I don't use hairspray that often. But this is the Healthy Sexy Hair Soy Touchable. It's supposed to be, I think, like the natural version of their hairsprays, or I don't know. I'm just gonna spray it right on the front. I'm trying to get it to, you know, fall this way more. So I'm just put a pin in there. Don't have one, so I'm just gonna use this little clip and keep it going that way for a bit. And then while I do that, I really wasn't going to do this, but I'm gonna use this powder so it'll be easier to wipe out if I don't like it, hopefully. I'm going to use a little brush, if I can find one. I'm gonna use this one, this little brush right here. I'm gonna put it in my powder foundation. I'm just going to add a part in there, something you can, that don't look real, I'm gonna put it this way, so that that blends. Get a little bit more and rub that in, so it kind of gives it like a little something. Oh, I just did. Cover up that lace a little bit. It's very visible over here. Now I'm gonna take this blending brush right here. I'm just gonna blend it so it kind of just blends in. And there you go. So I finished what I wanted to do with this wig for the past I want to say I've been looking at this wig for a good 3 months. So let's go ahead and take this off. Okay, so for my final review, or my final word on this wig is it is a bomb.com wig, okay? Let me get all the information on it because... So this is the wig on Amazon. Can you guys see that? It's the Lucy hair wig at $39.75. It's a Lucy hair wig, long wavy synthetic lace front wig, glueless purple, high temperature, heat resistant, fiber hair wig. And I got this wig pretty quickly. I know that I originally went to go get it from Charisma because I saw that a lot of people were getting their wigs similar to this one on Charisma, but when I went to go get it, it said that it wasn't going to be here for like another couple of weeks. So I was like, I've been waiting so long to finally get this hair. I don't need it to be coming in like 3 weeks and give me time to change my mind. I just typed in purple Amazon wig, and this company came up, and if it says right now today is the 2nd, and it's saying that if you order it today you can get it on the 4th. So that's why I use this company. Let's see, I'm trying to find out anything else I can find from it. Okay, so the website says that the wig is for black women. Don't shoot the messenger. But it says hair material is 100% high quality, heat resistant synthetic hair fiber. The hair length is 22 inches. The hairstyle is long and wavy. The hair color is purple. The cap size is 22.5 inches, and that's the circumference. Comes with adjustable straps and 3 combs. The package includes the wig cap. Speaking of shedding and tangling, I haven't really experienced much. This is what's in my brush. If you can even see it, like I'll take it out. Like that's literally what's in my brush. So from just brushing it, and as you can see, like it was pretty tangled from me playing and trying to get it on my head and all that stuff. So that's pretty good. And I mean, overall, I would definitely recommend this wig. And if I had to give it a grade point, I would give this wig an A+. And I'll check back in. Not that I'll be wearing it every day, but I can check back in periodically when, as I film in the wig, and just let you guys know how I like it. Being that today I just put it on to sit down and film. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. As of now, I love the wig, and I definitely would recommend it, especially due to the fact that in the back it has like little baby hair already in the back. So if you wanted to put it in a bun, you could like lay that down and it would look like yours. I haven't tried it yet. I don't even know how to do that, but if you do, I think that would be great. You know, it's cute. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you would like to join the Bella family, please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!